Hello guys, welcome to today's video. First of all, I would like to apologize, like deeply apologize for being so absent and not posting videos lately. There's been a lot of things going on in my life, and I'm not going to use coronavirus as an excuse, but yeah, there's been a lot of things going on in my life. I've been busy and all that stuff, but then that's not an excuse. I'm back and I'm going to try all my best to post videos for you guys to teach you how to do some things and how to do online purchases and how to make money on top of that. So this is basically a how-to channel, right? Okay, without wasting any time, today we're going to be making another pages of on Takealot, because I realized that a lot of you went onto my Facebook and you told me that you didn't actually get clarity on how to make a purchase, because I was basically doing more talking and doing much less acting. So we're gonna do that today. Okay, we're gonna do it the nicest way. The nicest thing is that we're gonna be doing it on your mobile, on my mobile phone, which is probably what everybody has right now. So let's just see if we can go there. So I'm gonna go to my browser and we're gonna try to make another purchase. So this time we're going for something a little much more different, right? So yeah, just gonna have to play that one out. We're gonna go for that. Yeah, so now it is loading. I'm gonna wait for it to load, but today I'm not gonna be scrolling around Takealot and also those daily deals that they do have. What I specifically I'm gonna do is try to make a purchase and get to show you guys, right? And yeah, let's just see if we can do that. So the specific item in mind that I have is and yeah, we're gonna be using a different form of payment today. I don't know if you guys noticed, like last time we bought using cash, and this time we're gonna be using an online EFT type of payment. Okay, so let me just scroll down and just try to find. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be buying a phone. Yeah, because I need something. I mean, this one is way absolutely terrible, like everything on this one. But that's beside the point. The point is I need to get a new phone, and Takealot definitely does have the best deals and best offers available, right? Oh, hold on, it's taking way too long. It really is taking way too long. Okay, the one that I actually want is gonna be from Xiaomi. That's exactly. But then I need a different color, a different, like a blue sort of color, but not this one. So yeah, just wanna, and I'm gonna try to make a review of the phone. I don't know if you guys will appreciate that or like that, but yeah, from what they are saying right here, seems like it has pretty good reviews and all that stuff. Okay, hold on, let me just try to go back and okay, now that it has loaded, let us see if we can get something here. Okay, right. Something just happened. So what I would actually advise you guys is to just try to go on the departments every time you're trying to make a purchase, because that way you're gonna find everything that you're looking for, rather than just specific items that are just redundant to your needs. I mean, you don't have to be going for like things you don't need. Anyways, yeah. So that's what I just realized that I've been doing wrong. So I just corrected that. Anyways, I'm going to be going under the cell phones tab, and they surely should give me the type of cell phones that I need, all of them, irrespective of any category, just all of them. So yeah, okay, let me just use the filter right? And try to see if the filter I need this to filter out the brand. It needs to be let's go to X. Yeah, we need it to be Xiaomi. Then apply the filter. This is basically me showing you the whole entire process. I mean, this is really, yeah. So I was looking to get one of these. So the color that I actually wanted is not here, but it does not matter. I mean, this one is already here. So yeah, let me just see if I can get my hands on this one. It does have good reviews. That's something that I like, but we're gonna see that in a moment, because seeing is believing, right? It's not just talking and all of that, right? So yeah, okay, right. So this is my product. Yeah, for the fact that it's actually that amount of money for this, one thing that I actually look for is the specs. I would advise you to do the same. Go under the description tab and look at the specifics, or the specifications, specifications of the product you are trying to purchase or buy, or whatever you want to use. So that way you get to know exactly what you are buying, so that when you make a complaint, you know exactly what you are dealing with and what you are working with, right? I'm not saying that you should make a complaint or whatever. Then I'm just saying, if something just does not, satisfy you, then you know what to do, right? So yeah, it has a limited warranty of about 12 months. Okay, then these are good. This is what I like about this. This phone has got a 4.7 stars. And let me tell you something about Takealot reviews. I know some websites offer like fake reviews, like for example, I'm gonna say the websites themselves, because that's gonna be defamation. But there are websites out there which actually do offer fake reviews, just to get like purchases on, from people and stuff like that. But then Takealot has absolutely genuine, real reviews. Underline that, original reviews from the customers themselves. No other ways. Definitely from the customers themselves. And as you can see, they're giving it 5-star, and they are saying best value for money. It's an excellent device for a reasonable price with many features other than other high prices phone have. You see, that's what I'm saying. So this is exactly why I'm going to be adding this phone, and I'm going to be buying this. So we're going to be going through the same similar process. And I've been thinking of about just getting you guys to see my whole entire process in purchasing the phone. And yeah, so let's see. That's the total that will cost me, about 3.2. Let's see if everything's gonna work out. Now I would advise you, you see what I just did right now. I just neglected like the whole entire product itself. Like I just said, the price is that. I would advise you to double check, see if you're actually buying the exact item that you need, right? You don't want to, because for some reason, I remember on a website called Zendo, I bought like a different color t-shirt, and they delivered a white one. I was like, hold on, what happened? Why am I not receiving the item color that I ordered? Auntie, I didn't realize that sorry about that. I didn't realize that when I was checking out the color option was actually white, right? So yeah, we're gonna try to log in, because you're gonna need an account for Takealot, right? So yeah, if you don't have an account, I would suggest you make one like immediately. Okay, what is going on here? Yeah, just like I said, guys, when you are making a purchase on Takealot, it's probably actually slower on the mobile phone. I don't know, maybe it probably depends on what type of phone you are using. So if you have a 4G, 5G, whatever, as you can see, I'm using a 3G phone, so it's probably gonna be slower, right? So Yeah, so probably 5G, 4G, those two types. Um, yeah, so there's a what's going on here. In support of ongoing efforts to fight the spread of COVID-19, we've rolled out large-scale remote working. Our phone lines have therefore been temporarily deactivated, but we are still servicing customers via email. For assistance, please log a request via our help, from which you'll get in the next 24 hours. Okay, so apparently that's what they're saying, guys. Yeah, there's this COVID-19. I hope every one of you guys is safe. I don't know what you've been doing, but whatever it is you've been doing, hopefully it keeps you safe. And yes, not only just you, but then also your friends, right? So yeah, I'm gonna have to add another delivery address because of I'm basically at a different location right now. So yeah, let me just add that, and I'm gonna show you guys afterwards. So continuing from where we left, so this is what we're gonna be doing as residents. So now we're gonna have to click on continue. I told you guys that you need to double check, because that's what happened. I found out there was an item that I left in my cart from the previous purchase, so I found it here. So the total price was just way more. So yeah, you're gonna need to actually double check. So make sure you only have the item you need to buy. Okay, please, 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 you don't want to spend money on something you don't want to buy, on something it was not your. Okay, hold on. Donate 5 friends to critical gaze children. Maybe next time, right? I know I've been saying next time, but yeah, well, just bear with me, right? So we're gonna pay through credit and debit card. Last time we paid, what did we pay with? We paid on cash on delivery. Unfortunately, this option, guys, please, 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 it won't be available during lockdown. But if you see my video anytime during lockdown, I apologize. Please forgive me. You cannot use this cash on delivery right now. So the only way I'd advise you is just, if you have cash, deposit in your account and use your credit card or debit card. I mean, it keeps everybody safe, and that's what we definitely need. So as you can see, I had credit in my account, so that's what it counts as right there at the bottom. Then I only have to pay now about 3,200. So that's about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and proceed with the pay. We pay with the card, and so you can also double check all of this information at the bottom and just make sure that everything is okay and it's right, and your phone number isn't it's with you, or it's right. Actually, sorry, I was thinking about other things. I'm sorry, I apologize. Yeah, so you need to actually do that. All right, let's see. So this is my first time making a payment, but I know it's very much more nice. Oh no, it's not my first time. I apologize, it's not my first time. It's probably like more like a long. Hold up. You're gonna have to add a new card. So yeah, we are still in the payment section, guys. So when it comes to Capitec, you need to have, this is supposed to come up, this is what I like about Capitec. Now they have, if you are worried about whether it's safe, whether buying things online is safe, this is what I'm talking about. It's a Mastercard ID check. What they do is that something is going to pop up on my phone right now, and it's going to actually try to require me to authenticate the payment, right? So let's just continue and see it for ourselves. I think other banks probably do have it. It depends on which bank you're using. I don't know about the latest bank, which is Time Bank. I don't know if they have this sort of payment securities available for Time Bank. Yeah. So you're gonna have to, yeah, definitely it's like so as you can see, this is what happens, this is the amount, it will pop up like this, right guys? So you can actually, if you, this is why I'm saying that guys, it's impossible for you guys to get scammed online. This is why Takealot is safe. You can buy with your card. This is what I'm talking about. You need to authorize and approve payments. This is a USDD type of approval for payments, which is way too safe, right? So I'm gonna approve and I'm gonna send it to and then when I tell you that authentication is successful, then you're gonna press on OK, and then your payment is going to be processed. And this is what I was talking about. Now you should be asking yourself, who is responsible for these types of payments? Which company is actually ensuring that your data and your information, basically, particularly your banking details, are secure. While Paygate is the company for you guys, so it actually has your back, right? Like, I'm gonna say that straight up, it has you on that. You cannot go any wrong. So yeah, let's just try to complete the purchase, and I just hope this video is not longer than 10 minutes. I mean, you guys are probably bored, but I'm just saying, you guys, I'm just trying to look out for you and try to show you potholes not to trip on, right? So let's just wait and see. Then yeah, so to the confirmation section, everything should be about okay. But if anything happens, yeah, so you should see this, and this should be in your phone, right? You should see that. I'd advise you to take a screenshot of it. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Be sure to leave a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel. You don't have to like the video, but just please subscribe, because I know definitely I'm gonna make one video, just one video that you definitely gonna like. Can be more than one, you never know. But then for now, just do me a favor, subscribe. Please subscribe. Red button below, subscribe. Anyways, love you guys, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.